Here's the news of the day. Safran Helicopter Engines signed its first Areas 2R support by the hour contract with Reignwood Aviation in China, enhancing maintenance support for their Bell 505 fleet. ITC AeroLeasing has leased 11 aircraft, including Bell 407, Airbus H125, and Pilatus PC-12, to Global Medical Response for emergency medical services across the U.S. Bell hosted its 2024 Law Enforcement Symposium in Botswana, emphasizing safety and innovation while engaging African law enforcement operators in discussions on aviation best practices and operational efficiency. Atlantic Aviation will upgrade New York's East 34th Street heliport to support eVTOL aircraft, enhancing sustainable urban mobility with partners like Joby and Archer Aviation. The AAM Institute and Lineports will host a hands-on vertiport planning workshop in Abu Dhabi, focusing on eVTOL infrastructure, safety, and operational planning. Participants will gain certification and access to Lineport's software for further training. Hill Aircraft has partnered with World Fuel Services to supply sustainable aviation fuel, enhancing eco-friendly options for business aviation in Atlanta. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.